AI is no longer a distant concept. It's here, and it's coming for everything. From our jobs to our daily lives, artificial intelligence is advancing at a pace we can't ignore. Before we dive into it, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more AI stories. We're diving into how AI is taking over, why it's happening so fast, and what it means for you, your career, and the future of humanity. Because this revolution is speeding toward us, and it's happening sooner than we think. AI is advancing at a speed that is staggering. Just a few years ago, AI was mostly about algorithms analyzing data. But now it's evolved into systems capable of decision-making, problem-solving, and even performing complex tasks like diagnosing diseases and writing articles. We're on the brink of an AI-driven world, and it's coming faster than we ever imagined. The rise of AI isn't a slow burn, it's a rapid acceleration. Take self-driving cars, for example. Just a decade ago, the idea of cars driving themselves seemed like science fiction, but now, companies like Tesla, Waymo, and others are already testing fully autonomous vehicles on our roads. And that's just one example. AI is infiltrating every industry, from retail to healthcare to education, and it's only speeding up. One of the most immediate impacts of AI's rise is job displacement. AI is already taking over jobs in various industries, and it's not just low-skill positions anymore. It's affecting high-skilled jobs, too. AI-powered machines are handling customer service calls, writing articles, performing legal research, and even driving trucks. In fact, according to a study by the World Economic Forum, 85 million jobs could be displaced by AI by 2026. We're talking about roles in finance, healthcare, manufacturing, and even law jobs that were once seen as secure are now at risk of being automated. And it's not just about replacing repetitive tasks. AI is increasingly capable of performing jobs that once required human expertise. But AI isn't just taking over jobs, it's also making its way into our daily lives. From AI-powered personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to smart home devices that learn our preferences, AI is already a part of almost every aspect of our lives, and it's only getting smarter. In the future, AI will be embedded in everything we do. Imagine a world where AI knows what you want before you do. A world where your car, home, and even your grocery shopping is powered by AI. It's no longer a matter of if AI will integrate into our lives. It's already happening, and it's advancing faster than we can adapt. So, what's driving this rapid AI revolution? It comes down to three main factors: data, computing power, and machine learning. With the explosion of data available from the internet, AI systems are learning and improving at an unprecedented rate. Combined with the power of advanced computing, AI can process and analyze data far faster than any human could. Machine learning algorithms enable AI to improve itself over time. The more data AI systems process, the smarter they get. And with advancements in computing power, AI systems can now make decisions in real time, adapt to new situations, and even predict future outcomes. This exponential growth in AI capabilities is what makes its rise feel so fast. So, what does all of this mean for you? It means that the world is changing, and we need to adapt. If we're not careful, we could be left behind in a world where machines do everything. But there's hope. The future of work, and even society, is in our hands. The key to surviving and thriving in an AI-driven world is adaptability. We need to reskill and embrace the changes happening around us. Whether it's learning about AI, adapting to new technologies, or simply finding ways to work alongside machines, the future is about using AI as a tool to enhance our lives, not replace us entirely. While AI will take over many tasks, it's not all doom and gloom. Machines may be able to handle repetitive jobs, but there are things humans will always be needed for. Creativity, empathy, and complex problem-solving are skills that AI can't replicate. In fact, the future of work will likely involve a partnership between humans and AI. By focusing on areas where humans excel creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, we can use AI to enhance our roles rather than compete with them. AI is advancing faster than we can keep up, and it's taking over many aspects of our lives. But that doesn't mean we're powerless. The key is to adapt, learn new skills, and stay flexible. AI will continue to shape the future, but it's up to us to decide how we fit into that future. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's here, and it's taking over fast. From the factory floor to the office desk, AI is infiltrating every aspect of our lives. What was once considered science fiction is now becoming our reality. Machines can now think, learn, and make decisions at speeds and accuracies far beyond human capabilities. So, where is this all headed? We've already seen AI's capabilities transform industries like retail, healthcare, transportation, and even entertainment. Whether it's self-checkout systems, medical diagnostics powered by AI, or driverless cars, AI is making its mark in ways we never anticipated. And the scariest part? It's just getting started. So why is this happening so fast? Why is AI taking over everything right now? It comes down to three things: speed, efficiency, and cost. AI doesn't need breaks, it doesn't get tired, and it can work 24/7. While humans are constrained by time and energy, AI can process massive amounts of data, make decisions in real time, and scale faster than any human could. This makes it not only faster, but far more efficient in performing repetitive tasks. And businesses love efficiency. Its simple AI is cost-effective, faster, and better at handling certain tasks than humans, and that's why it's replacing jobs across all sectors. AI is coming for many jobs, but which ones are most at risk? While some may think that AI is only taking over low-skilled jobs, the truth is, AI is moving into industries that we thought were safe. Let's break it down. In manufacturing, robots are replacing assembly line workers. In retail, we've got AI-powered self-checkout systems and robots stocking shelves. In customer service, AI chatbots are answering your queries. And AI is creeping into white-collar jobs like data analysis, marketing, and even law. From customer service reps to financial analysts, AI is capable of handling jobs that involve repetitive tasks, routine decision-making, and data processing. It's already happening, and it's only going to get worse as AI continues to improve. What about high-skilled jobs? Surely AI can't replace complex, high-level roles, right? Well, it's already happening. In law, AI can review contracts, make legal recommendations, and even perform legal research. In healthcare, AI is diagnosing diseases and analyzing medical records faster than doctors. AI has already started replacing roles in the healthcare industry, like radiologists and medical researchers. AI tools are helping diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, analyze X-rays, and even suggest treatment options. Even creative fields like writing and design are under threat. AI can write articles, create art, and generate content that mimics human creativity. It's clear that AI is moving beyond manual labor. High-skilled jobs that require education, training, and human expertise are now being replaced, and the speed of that change is unprecedented. What does this rapid AI takeover mean for the workforce? Well, it means disruption. AI will undoubtedly lead to job losses, but it also creates new opportunities, just not in the way we might expect. While jobs are being replaced, new roles are emerging in fields like AI programming, machine learning, and data science. However, these new roles require specific skills, and many workers won't have the training or education needed to make the shift. The challenge for us is to figure out how to adapt to these changes and reskill ourselves to thrive in an AI-driven world. It's not about avoiding change, it's about embracing it. AI is here to stay, and it will continue to shape the workforce. The key is learning how to work with it, not against it. So, how do you prepare for a future where AI takes over everything? First and foremost, upskill. If you're in a job at risk, Now is the time to start learning new skills. Understand AI and how it works. Learn programming, data science, and machine learning. Those are the jobs of the future, but don't just focus on technical skills. Soft skills, creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence are things that AI can't replicate. Focus on becoming adaptable, learning to work alongside AI, and using it as a tool to enhance your productivity. AI is coming fast, and it's coming for everything. But that doesn't mean we're powerless. By embracing change, learning new skills, and staying flexible, we can shape the future of work instead of being swept along by it. It's not about fear, it's about preparation. AI is here to stay, and the key to surviving this revolution is staying ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments, how do you think AI will impact your job? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on AI and the future of work.